Hi folks, let's apply some material to World Creator Mesh in the Iclone. Let's switch to Texture tab after importing the mesh. We're gonna add the files into the matching slot. Okay, for base color, we're gonna add color map file. Yeah, as you see. For roughness, we're gonna add roughness map to the roughness slot under the Texture tab. And we're gonna find height and normal slots. Scrolling down, we're gonna add height map file to the height slot, normal map file to the normal slot. Yes, let's check and compare with the World Creator side by side. As you see, it's just raw condition. I mean, in the Iclone, you can do whatever you like. You can add vegetations, etc. Thanks for watching. If you find the content useful, please consider like and subscribe. You can support the channel in the Patreon if you wish. The link in the description. So take care. See you later.